Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the first market report of 2025 for January 1st. And we are seeing a possible slowdown indicated in these numbers. There is not a doubt in my mind, if we were just to look at these numbers, that there's an evident even slower than it has been. But only time's going to tell, and we still are seeing appreciation in these numbers. So housing values are still going up, even though interest rates are not going down, which is typically not the case. Typically, as interest rates go up, prices go down. It puts downward pressure on prices, and vice versa. But we're not seeing that, so we're still seeing appreciation. We're still seeing low inventory, but we can still make things happen. Remember, there's always going to be challenges in the market. You just got to know how to overcome them. So this week, we're looking at active available listings are down 5% week over week, up 19% year over year. New listings came in down 23% week over week, down 6% year over year. Solds came in down 26% week over week, but up 5% year over year. So we're seeing one positive sign. Pendings came in down 14% week over week, but only 1% down year over year. Median sale price came in at $247,000, showing appreciation week over week from last year at this time of 15%. Year over year came in at $248,000, showing 8% appreciation over the last 12 rolling. Days on market was showing slower. We saw a slow up in the average of about 3 up to 30. Median stayed the same as last week, about 15. So we're seeing 30 average days on market, 15 median, versus last year at this time we're at 21 average and 5 median. We saw last 12 homes sold 4,418 versus last year at this time 4,246. So showing about 4% up from that. So we're still up from last year. And we are seeing, if we were in a balanced market, we'd have 2,209 active available homes. We've only got about 558. So we're showing about 3.95 buyers per listing. Still sitting right around 2 months inventory, which is below the 6 month we need for a balanced market. That is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone enjoy this new year. Grace and peace.